So here I'm going to explain how to solve this inequality. First thing I want you to understand is that this is an inequality, not an equation. So this is an inequality. Okay. Why is this an inequality? Because there is a less than sign. So the answer for this is going to be an interval. Okay. It's not going to be a number. When you have an equation, when you solve the equation, you get the answer to be a number. When you solve the inequality, you get the answer to be an interval. Now how do we go about it? I'm going to explain that to you. Now step one is what you do is you replace the inequality with equal sign. So replace less than sign with equal sign. So what does that give you? That gives you get 1/2 to the 2x equals 1/16 to the x plus 3. Then what you do next is that here you see the base is 1/2, here the base is 1/16. So you always want to write a bigger number in terms of as an exponent of a smaller number. So 16 is a bigger number. You want to write 16 as an exponent of 2, and you cannot. Why? Because you cannot write 2 as an exponent of 16. So you want to reduce 16 in the terms of 2. So you get 1/2 of 2x is equal to, now 16 is 1/2 to the 4, and then there is again an x plus 3 here. Okay. So what happens is using the law of exponents, you're going to distribute the 4 to the x plus 3. So you get 1/2 to the 2x is going to be 1/2 to the, when you distribute the 4 to the exponent, you get 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is going to be a 12. So you get 4x to the 12. Now the bases are equal, so set the exponents to one another. So you get 2x equals 4x plus 12. Okay, then you subtract 4x on both sides. You want to bring the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So you get negative 2x is going to be positive 12. So you want to divide both sides by negative 2. So you get this to be x equals negative 6. Okay. So that means if you are, when you're, remember this is an inequality and you are trying to solve an inequality, the answer is going to be an interval. The answer is not a number. But what we did was we tried to solve the equation here, so the answer is a number. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the following. Okay. So you're going to write this as a number line. Say this is the left endpoint, which is negative infinity. That is a positive right endpoint, which is positive infinity, and in between is negative 6. Okay. So your solution could be because it is less than sign, your solution could be the region on the left or the region on the right. Okay. There is no equal sign, so negative 6 is not included. Remember that. So your solution could be the region on the left of negative 6, or it could be the region on to the right side of negative 6, one of them. Which one is it? We will find out that in a moment. So recall that inequality, which is 1/2 of 2x is less than 1/16 to the 1/16. You can write this as 1/2 to the 4x plus 12. Okay. Now pick any number between negative infinity and 6. Okay. So I'm picking any number between negative 6 or in other words, pick any number from here, negative 6 to positive infinity, from the right side of the region. Why? I'm just picking whatever region. You could go with this region first, or you could go to the this region first. It doesn't change your answer. Now you can pick any number in this region. I'm picking for the because it is easy, I'm picking x equals 0. So that gives you 1/2 to the 2 times 0. The question is it less than 1/2 to the 4 times 0 plus 12. Okay. So this means 1/2 to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1. So 1, is it less than or equal to 1/2 to the 12. Okay. So now I wanna use my calculator and evaluate what is 1/2 to the 12. I don't know what it is, but I definitely know that this is false. 1/2 to the 12 is 1 is not less than that. So this 1/2, 1 is not less than 1/2 to the 12. So this inequality does not hold good. It's a contradiction. So it is a false statement. Okay. Contradiction. It is a false statement. So that means this is not the solution. Is that clear? So only this is a solution. Now how do you check it? You want to pick any number between negative infinity and negative 6. You can pick any number here. So I'm gonna pick something like negative 10 here, okay, just for the heck of it. I mean, I picked 0, it did not work out. I'm gonna pick negative 10, maybe. Why? Because it is easy, that's all. I mean, there is nothing really, no reason as to why I'm choosing negative 10. So I'm gonna pick x equals negative 10. So I get 1 divided by 2 times negative 10. Okay, let me pick x equals negative 5. Maybe that will be very easy. No, I have to pick negative 10. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay, 2 times negative 10. So the question is it less than or equal to 1/2 to the 4 times negative 10 plus 12? Okay, so that's going to be, you get 1/2 to the negative 20. So the question is it less than 1/2? 4 times negative 10 is negative 40. Negative 40 plus 12 is going to be negative 40 plus 12 is going to be negative 28. So that means when I write it like, I mean, I get 2 to the negative 1 to the negative 20. The question is it less than 2 to the negative 1 negative 28, right? Then you get 2 to the 20. Is it less than 2 to the 28? Answer is yes. So that means x equals negative 10 satisfies this inequality. So that means now going back, if this satisfies the inequality, you can say every number in this region satisfies this inequality. So the answer is going to be really negative infinity to negative 6. Now you don't put the bracket on negative infinity because on negative infinity and positive infinity are not numbers, so you don't put the brackets on it. And negative 6, because there is no equal sign in the inequality here, so you do not include negative 6, so you put the parentheses on this as well. So this is your answer. I hope this answers your question. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm going to upload this on Falcon Online as well. Take it. Bye bye.